Hi everyone and welcome to weekly Forex recap. Today it's April 22 and as always trading ideas and setups. Euro dollar, GBP dollar, the Australian dollar, dollar yen, Bitcoin dollar and gold. Before we start, have in mind the CFD and Forex are leveraged products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So those are not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Our standard trading rules, guys, we don't change it. So please snapshot this screen or watch my previous webinars because these trading rules are always the same. Last week results, euro dollar positional buy was good for 30 pips. GBP dollar was good for was actually a loss, minus 30 pips. The Australian dollar was good for 55 pips. The dollar CAD was good for 70 pips. Bitcoin dollar 70 pips. Gold was a loss of 50 pips. Total pip pool was 145. The trade of the week was dollar CAD along with the Bitcoin dollar. This was what happened with the euro dollar. We had a buy setup initiated here, and you see that it went into a profit. Then the GBP dollar, it was a loss. The price went to 30.50, and it didn't go quite well, only 15 pips. But we cannot count 15 pips as a winner here, so this was a loss. The Australian dollar was very good. The trade initiated around 71.50, went into a nice profit. Total pip pool was approximately 55 pips because the price stalled around 72.06. Then the dollar CAD, again, the trade of the week, dollar CAD initiated a sell around 34.02. It went even or down, even overshooting my final target price. The Bitcoin dollar was good. It rejected straight from the POC zone. Initially, the price went exactly here, and you see it dropped from 50 to 30 to 51.60. So not bad considering that it was basically a small range even for the Bitcoin dollar. Now, guys, regarding this week's setups, this is the euro dollar sell around 12.90. Well, actually, guys, we have a bit of a ranging market because it's Eastern, and usually during holidays, price is not going anywhere. It's just up and down, up and down. But well, that's it. We can do nothing about it, so we need just to wait. Euro dollar downtrend, the position sell 12.90, stop 13.30, TP 12.10, alternative buy 12.10, stop loss 11.90, TP 12.90. So this is the euro dollar, and this is the screen. So euro dollar, it's in downtrend. This was well, the signal that I received, but I don't trade today. Actually, I didn't make any entries today because it's well, the first day after Christmas. So yeah, I think that if the price, it could also, guys, reject here. So pay attention to 12.66 to 12.75. If the price does not reject here, I think it will reject from this level. So also, guys, pay attention to 12.66 to 12.75. So I think this is a good one. Next one is the GBP dollar. Downtrend, 30.10 is a sell, 30.50 stop, 29.50 TP. Alternative sell is, yeah, this is actually a typo. Alternative buy, actually. Okay, so alternative, wait, just give me a few seconds. Alternative buy, 29.50 stop loss, 29.10, TP is 30.10, and the GBP dollar, it is actually well in downtrend, but I suspect it could also reject. You see the price is rejecting here. It should go more down, at least towards this region, but I guess if the price gets there, it could be bought. So it's close to support, but then again, it's holiday time. So guys, it's nothing great now during holidays because we don't have clear trends everything can change tomorrow when markets open, and maybe even during after the midnight during Tokyo session. So you need to be careful. The Australian dollar sell is 71.70, stop 71.90, TP 71.20, buy 71.20, stop 70.90, TP 71.70. Ali is asking about divergence. As I'm saying, I'm not particularly into trading during holidays because everything can change. But yes, the answer to your question is yes, because the price is indeed close to support, and I guess this is indeed, there is divergence here. We can spot it easily. So yeah, I mean, I think if you go counter trend, yes. For trend moves, no. I also think that GBP Australian dollar, because I have a trade on GBP Australian dollar to the short side, should also go up, because the GBP should go down and Australian dollar should go up. A lot of buyers here, historical buyers here. So this qualifies for counter trend indeed, Ali. But as I'm saying, the only reason, first of all, I haven't prepared yet my counter trend template. But according to previous counter trend, the template that I have, yes, this could be a nice way to go long on the Australian dollar. Indeed, I agree. Yes, CTT, I agree. So according to CTT, this is indeed a long trade on the Australian dollar, and it coincides with my setup here. Dollar yen, it's in uptrend, buy position 111.90. This is a trade that I also have currently. I am maybe 3-4 pips in profit, but guys, as I'm saying, it's Eastern, so nothing is happening. The markets are on holiday, so we still need to wait for tomorrow, or let's say early Tokyo session. 111.9 is buy, stop 111.60. TP is 112.35, sell is 112.35, stop loss 112.65. TP 111.90. Yeah, this is the chart for the dollar yen. A lot of signals to go long actually, and I'm actually positive. There is a positive swap on the dollar yen long, so yeah, I'm holding also this for a couple of days. You see a lot of signals here for long trade. Price is in consolidation phase. But this is cup with candle pattern. This is cup. This is candle. This is bullish. So I'm counting on bullish move. Yeah, Guled is saying, for your information, Japanese holiday upcoming. So again, okay, so we really need to wait for London session then. Japanese holiday coming. Okay, let me check. Guled, I see that around 1 a.m. today, there will be, of course, this is my time zone. Let me just log in to Forex Factory calendar. I see that Japanese markets are actually awake. They will be trading here. You see? Wait, I will just change. Yeah, okay. The important, the news actually. Just give me a few seconds. There will be movement on Tuesday, but yeah, if we use this, you see, there will be. I guess there will be movement overnight, because New Zealand market and the Tokyo market will actually work. You see, Japanese yen 7 o'clock. This is my time zone. So yeah, we should see some movement, I guess. So yeah, I suspect during the night something will change in the market. Markets will start moving, and then during the Tokyo session, during the London session, markets will be, of course, active as always. But that's it, guys. Yeah, you see a lot of bullish signals here, guys. Cup with candle, Camarilla MACD. So yeah, I'm always watching patterns when I trade Camarilla MACD. Yes, it's semi-automated system. Oh, sorry, guys. Semi-automated system, but I always watch for patterns, because patterns are something that has existed over time, and all of those patterns have withstood some test of time. Price is the price. So I always watch the signals from my Camarilla MACD, but if I see something like cup with candle, it gives me additional insurance that my trade is going to be a winning one. So yeah, this looks like cup with candle, and I'm holding on to my long trade. I have it. I have a long trade on dollar yen. Bitcoin dollar uptrend 51.20 is buy, stop 50.20, TP 54.55, sell is 54.55, stop 55.55, TP 51.20. The Bitcoin dollar, well, uptrend here, you see a nice start of potential. This is called emerging ascending scallop. This is a form of Adam and Adam pattern here that resembles a W letter, but this is a type 2 Adam and Adam. And now we have also an up channel here. So I think that Bitcoin can go more to the upside. So this is definitely an uptrend still. And gold, sell is 1280, stop loss 1285, TP 1270, alternative buy 1270, stop loss 1265, TP 1280. So 1280 is a sell. XAU, USD. Oh, you see a lot of reactions here, guys. A nice trend captured by XAU, by Camarilla MACD on XAU USD. You see how Camarilla MACD captured the trend. Nice move, but I also think that if the price gets there, this could be actually a long trade. Now, guys, you can ask questions. I will roll slides again now. If anything is not clear, I can clarify. But, guys, markets are still, everything can change tomorrow because it's literally waiting time. Everything can happen. Nothing is certain. So, yeah, when markets are on holidays, there is no one to actually defend support resistance levels, and price can go crazy until majority of trading centers open. So yeah, we need to wait. This is euro dollar. This is the GBP dollar. This is the Australian dollar. This is the dollar yen. Then the Bitcoin dollar, and finally gold. The first question is WTI. Yeah, definitely uptrend, and this is bullish, very bullish, inverted head and shoulders. I would wait for the price to go to 64.50 and then buy it again. This is a qualifier for a buy trade. Looks very, 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 very tempting. For counter trend trades, I don't see anything because every single level has been broken. So I would wait for a drop and then go long. So yeah, 64.50. Watch for this. This is important zone. 64.50, 64.20. GBP Swissy. Let me check the GBP Swissy. Yeah, I don't know why I missed all these good setups on this GBP Swissy. I really need to pay attention to it. Should be on my watch list, definitely. So good. Wow. Yeah, for me this looks like a long, but then again, it could drop because of the GBP weakness. If the price doesn't break 31.95, it will go down towards 31.30. So I think, yeah, if it doesn't break this level, it should drop. But a lot of good rejections. Wow, this is really nice. I like how it looks. 43 pip rejection, then 50 pip, and then all long. So yeah, this is obvious. If it doesn't break and close above 31.95, it should drop towards 31.30. So yeah, guys, this would be all. If you have any other questions, just feel free to ask me. Basically, this would be it. I don't see anything interesting now. although I have 2 trades running, GBP AUD and dollar yen, that I trade with my Telegram group. So yeah, we are running, we are carrying over trades from Friday, so we need to wait. Yeah, markets are very, very, very slow now, so obviously we don't know what will happen until market starts to make some action. This is just waiting time. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ali, Velislav, Goran, and all for your Gulen, for all of your comments and questions. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded to Elite CurrenSea YouTube channel. And guys, of course, if you want to find out more how I trade, you can also sign up for FXDD webinars via Crowdcast. I do live trading there. And of course, on our website, elitecurrency.com, you can find every information about how to join our live trading group. Okay, we are doing live trading each day, approximately in between 12 and 16 signals per week. Fair price. You can also go for our systems. Camarilla, MACD. If you go to Camarilla MACD page, I really trade a lot, and Camarilla MACD MTF is my primary method now to trade on live sessions, although all these modules are very, very good. I actually did some sort of rewriting these modules. So with Camarilla MACD MTF, we have trend. Soon counter trend trading will be added. Camarilla MACD swing is 4-hour trading. London Open Advance is just what happens during London Open, 15-minute trades, and scalping is 2 methods for 5 and 15-minute scalping. So go for it, guys. You will be happy. And of course, with all this, you get automatically sign up for ECS Live, and you can see me how I trade live with my signals. Thank you, everyone. Talk to you soon, guys. Cheers. Trade safe.